Yo, what's good, my people? Hey, listen though, so today we're gonna talk about entries. I'm gonna show y'all setups for this week so y'all can potentially make some bread, you know what I'm saying? Show you like what's good places to enter, what's not. But before we do that, man, you know I gotta give y'all scripture of the day, which is Hebrews 13, verse 8. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. So if he did it for you once before, he gonna do it again. He the same, he don't change. If he did it way for Moses and then back in the day, he gonna do the same thing for you. You just gotta believe it. Just because it ain't happen when you want it to happen, don't mean it ain't gonna happen. It's just gonna happen at his appointed time. You dig? So make sure y'all thumbs this video up, man. We're gonna get straight into this video right now. Let's go. Yo, so look, we on EURUSD. So I'm gonna show you how to find the best entries. Look, go to the daily. All right, I'm gonna grab this. Find support and resistance zones, or find where the market could potentially head. So right now it's saying that the daily is in a downtrend based off the 200 moving average. For me to verify that, I'll come over here to my MT4. I'll find EURUSD. Boom, and it says the daily right here is in the downtrend, so that is correct. So let's get it. Mark this zone up right here. I can stretch it as far across as I want to, you know what I'm saying? So that way it'll just be a continuation. I can put that there. Now, we do have a smaller zone here, right here, so I can cover these two. I could actually go across like this if I want to. All right, boom. All right, so first rejection right here. If it breaks through this, we heading up here, second rejection, and we should be going back down if it's gonna follow the pattern. Like I said, if it rejects here, we coming right down here, just like this. All right, that's where we'll be headed. Now, if we continue up, like I said, they got the possibility to do this, come here, head right back up, right back down. All right, and that's where we'll be going. So I want y'all to keep that in mind as y'all doing your trading. All right, so let me remove this stuff. So these are the potential setups for EURUSD throughout the week. So you could either do pending orders, you know, right here, or you could just do market execution. But like I said, if you want to move to a lower time frame, so as you see, we're starting to hit this zone up here. We're getting close to this zone. You could potentially wait till we hit, look for your first sell, back down, as we did over here. And like I said, if it breaks through all of that, then you could be looking to get in on the second position and hold and ride it down. All right, so that's one. Let's go to another pair. Let's see which other pair y'all want to look at. I'm gonna do GJ, because I know a lot of y'all like to trade GJ. So you can see on the daily here what we got going on. So it says it's an uptrend on the daily right now. So let's go confirm that over here. So I need to find GJ. There we go. Overall is an uptrend. Everything else is pretty much an uptrend. So for the most part, we heading up. So first zone right in here. I'm gonna do this one because we got that strong rejection. So if you come here, we already pushing up. Let me let that stick. Boom. So we already pushing up to the upside already. The next place we're going on here, let me click this off. The next place we're going, about right up in here. All right, double click that. So if we break past this small zone right here, if we can break past this, which we probably will, the next logical place we're going is right here. So this is a buy for the most part, for the rest of the week for the most part. A good buy, boom. And then you'll probably, if it don't break through here, we'll probably head back down to somewhere in this zone until it fizzles out and try to figure out where it want to go. But for now, we're looking for a good buy on this particular trade. Like I said, we got the low, boom, lower high, boom. You know what I'm saying? So we can go to the upside on this one. Now, like I said, if you want to confirm that on like a H1, you can kind of see where we're at. So we're kind of in the consolidation state right now, getting these bounces, bounce, bounce. Now potentially on the 1 hour, like I said, if it continues to drop here, it'll bounce off the 200 or bounce here, head back up. But if not, we're gonna stop somewhere right in here. You see it's a smaller zone right here. Probably bounce somewhere in here, head back this way until it tries to break out. And then we'll start getting the same thing here until it breaks out. So this is GJ. Let me go check out NAS 100. All right, so this NAS 100. Let me go to the daily on that. Saying it's a downtrend on the daily. So let's go over here, confirm, just to make sure everything reading out right. I gotta find that mud. There it is. Boom. Downtrend on the daily. Downtrend on the daily, yes sir. So that's where we're at. But overall, I think we're in an uptrend overall for the most part because majority rules. But for now, I know NASDAQ does fall a lot. So here, like I said, I'm just finding small zones. I could fizzle that one out. I'm just gonna hit this small zone on the daily. It's a million and one ways to do this, y'all, but I do it a couple different ways. So you can always move this up just a little bit. And then you can find the next zone on the daily here. Right? So this is potentially where we're headed. All right, if it breaks through this, it's gonna try to come up here. So this is another zone, another smaller zone. Boom. And so now, if I come down here to like the 1 hour, you can see where we headed. So we already even bounced off of this one, broke through, pulled back, headed back up, probably do another pullback, head back up until we hit that. Crossed above the 200 over here. So we definitely heading up right now. We'll see how far we go up before we catch a bounce. Like I say, anytime you have, basically the market is just gonna go until it hits the next zone. That's all it's doing. It's going from zone to zone, all right? So we're crossing above the 2, headed up. It's gonna go to this next zone. As you can see, this is a strong zone because it has a lot of touches. So it could potentially try to break through. If not, we're gonna head right back down. So you could buy, pretty much hold until you get here and decide if you want to get out, or you could just wait to see if it breaks through here in the continuation and get in there. Overall, like I said, it's a buy right now, but I know NASDAQ has a tendency to fall, but that's a whole nother setup. All right, let me do one more. I'm gonna do US 30. All right, US 30 downtrend. Let me see. On the daily, yes sir, so that's correct. Downtrend on the daily, majority up. The monthly is up. The other 3 are on the downtrend, okay. So, same rules apply, y'all. We're on the daily, right, okay. So, of course, I could do another small zone here. And I'm just, like I said, I'm always just doing areas that touch in the same area. And then the next potential zone I see is about right in here that it could potentially go to. And so we heading up here right now on the daily. Boom. And then we could head back down. Either we can go down from here or we can go up. If it does go up, it's about potential as high as it should go. And then we'll head back down into these areas. Like I said, we're gonna go up, definitely pull back here. So let me show you here. We could potentially go up, either bounce, come back down, bounce, try to break out until we, continue this. Or, we got other plans. We can go straight down, try to break through this, and then start heading down this way. You know what I'm saying? I said those are the potentials. Like I said, you always want to, usually on my trend finder, I usually try to go with majority rules. But like I know lately, NASDAQ and US 30 have been on they've been spiking and then dropping. So, with everything that's going on in the world right now, that's what's been going on with those too. But like I said, those are the setups that you could potentially get in this week. Some dope entries, man. Like I said, this one is already heading up. We already broke out of this zone per se, headed up in this direction to the next zone. And so either you can catch the bounce here, you can catch the buy all the way up into here, scalp it all the way up until it gets here and then sell off. Really up to you, however you want to do it, but get this money, y'all. There's money out here. I'll be definitely taking a few of these trades. And I'll holler at y'all, Lord willing, in another video. Peace.
God's timing is perfect. Patience has a purpose. Waiting for it's worth it. Right on time when we late to the